Welcome to the Crop Care series in the Sprout Up i6111 YouTube channel. In this series, our aim is to help you grow your crops by providing the steps in planting and tips while growing your desired crop. Stay tuned to this series by clicking the notification bell. We will post every Sprout Up Wednesday. For this episode, we will discuss how to grow BUSH SITAO. Make sure to finish this episode up to the very end because we will reveal awesome tips in the end. Let us start. BUSH SITAO is a dry season annual crop that takes only a few weeks to grow. It can be grown all year if enough water is available. Under ideal conditions, it can be erect, trailing, climbing, and indeterminate. The trifoliate leaves are typically green in color. It is a crop that pollinates itself. Without further ado, here are the steps in planting BUSH SITAO. In each planting hole or deep plant pot, mix 1 handful of well-rotted manure with the soil. Dig a 2 to 3 centimeters deep hole, 0.8 to 1.2 ins. Plant 2 to 3 seeds in each hole or plant pot, lightly cover with soil, and water twice daily. For support as they climb, plant most varieties along a trellis or fence. Within each row, space seeds of both short and long varieties 0.5 meters, 1.5 feet, apart and 1 meter, 3 feet, between rows. Germination will take 6 to 10 days or 14 days. If the seeds fail to sprout, dig them up and inspect them for rot or insect damage. During dry periods, water plants on a daily basis. To ensure your garden success, here are tips on growing BUSH SITAO. BUSH SITAO thrives in sandy loam soil that is fertile and well-drained. Use loose soil that is rich in organic matter to get the best results when growing SITAO. The vegetable can grow in almost any climate and any month, but it thrives best in temperatures ranging from 20 to 35 degrees Celsius. It can also be grown in any soil as long as the pH is between 5.5 and 6.6. Cutworms, beanfly, aphids, and pod borers are common pests that attack bush and pole SITAO. Observe if there are any beanflies present on the 3rd to 10th day after germination. Fusarium wilt, root and stem rot, bean rust, bean mosaic, and powdery mildew are the most common diseases that affect SITAO. Before we reveal the last tip, have you subscribed yet? If not, why not hit that subscribe button and like this video for more content like this? To keep these pests and diseases from infesting BUSH SITAO, you can do crop rotation, cleaning the area around the plant, and planting pest and disease-resistant seeds. And there you go, the steps and tips in growing BUSH SITAO. We hope that this guide helped you. What do you think of this crop care guide? What crops would you like us to feature next? If you have any comments or suggestions, just comment below. Do not forget to like this video, hit that notification bell button, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We also have a Facebook community, Sprout Up Journeys, where we can share our gardening journeys, our successes and failures. In this community, we can help each other out and learn together because we are #BetterTogether. That's all for this episode. Have an awesome day and continue to sprout up.